Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Okay, Trust Progress, the analyst. I am here for you to give you all the update back to back. The purpose why you have me is for me to update you, and that is what I am doing. So please do well to share our videos, like and subscribe. Without not wasting much of your time, let me leave you to listen to this update, and I'll be right back.
Good morning. Good morning. I just want to talk about the Onitsha seaports. They say they don't open. Is it not too late? You're opening Onitsha seaport. The guy who demand that you open Onitsha seaport is still in your dungeon. You are expecting Simon Ekpa to stop agitating. Why his master is in dungeon? It's waiting the worry now. Nigeria, is it not too late talking about seaport now? Is that what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told you guys in dungeon, that open the seaport? Why did you wait for so long? Nigerian government, Southeast governors, Southeast elite, why did you wait for so long? Why did you have to beg for something that you're right? You beg for your right. You become a victim in your own country, in your own state. You become a victim. You have to beg before you become a governor, you have to beg. Before you become a senator, you have to beg. Before you become anything, you have to beg the elite. You have sea surrounding you. You have to beg until Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cried. We cried and cried. Where the road where they want to carry all the container? Anambra, where is the road to carry the container? Where road where trailer go they pass? Onuku, Mugu, all of una will be governors for Southeast. Oh, now una won't come give us. We want to open. Who is this? Not be abracadabra. Una won't do so. This is abracadabra. So, we are going to be maintaining the seaport now. Okay, so the seaport has commenced. Anybody can import from the seaport to from the southeast. So not be abracadabra, just for the agitators to mellow down. I see. Listen, is it not too late? Oh, they are expecting Simon Ekpa to come and toot. Oh, they have given us a seaport. Oh, I'm going to stop agitating. I don't think so. We still need to negotiate on the table. For God's sake, things are not working right. Bring out people who have knowledge. Sit down together. If you think the Igbos don't want to have their United States of Biafra, give them a referendum. Let us have peace of mind. Sit, negotiation, bring out Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Your seaport cannot stop the agitators. I don't think so. This is my own reaction to this. We talk about the international airport. We've not seen international airport, right? Now they have opened seaport. Say okay. We talk about the embassies. We've not seen American embassy. We want to see. No, I don't think all those things is going to help these days. I don't think it's going to help. Why are you forcing things? Why are you guys forcing things to? You see, at the end of the day, we're still gonna sit down and talk. Now beg me at the beg. Nigerian government, listen. It only take a man to drop his pride and say, let's do the needful. We have IPOB who you are locked in dungeon just for agitating. They have been locked there. Some of them they die. Their family don't forget about them. Some people when I carry for road, they don't know whether they're for police station just because it's an Igbo guy who talk about Biafra. Now only one life all of us get to. Now only one life we get. Think about it. I watched a video yesterday where one guy was arrested and they forcefully give that guy IPOB cloth with Biafran flag make you wear. The guy said he said they forcefully give him the cloth to wear just for them to play a propaganda video to make it look like we have catch the IPOB. Listen, I want to talk a little bit about Simon Ekpa. I know Aso Rock, watch my video. The military, watch my video. The police, watch my video. The secret intelligence, watch my video. I'm going to tell you something. first to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And then we're going to sit. This is the only person that speaks to us that we listen. This is the only person that can speak to Simon and he listens. Talking to Finland government will not stop Simon from agitating because it is his right. Okay, I want to say this. We are under United Nations, a treaty of United Nations. One common law that keeps all of us under United Nations is the right to agitate, the right to fight back. The right to fight back is in the Constitution of United Nations. We are part of the Constitution. We are part of the Treaty of United Nations. That is why it is not easy for you. United Nations see what is happening. Simon Ekpa is not a cannibal. They are fighting the government. They are fighting the government. Who do you think Simon will fight? Simon is not fighting his soldier, IPOB soldier, not his soldiers. It is it's their right to fight. I'm going to tell you something. Stop calling ESN. Call them Biafran military. Do you know why I'm going to tell you that? Don't say ESN. There's no ESN anymore. Simon has said that there's no ESN. It is military. And he's doing those things under United Nations Treaty. Simon gets sense. So sometimes I go sit down, I go look like, say, you go don't do some things. When I come check, I can't see, say, this guy gets sense. Because you cannot use ESN to fight the government. ESN was created by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to take care of the surrounding. If Fulani people, they come fight them, which was right. And even United Nations recognized that, because you have to defend yourself. Now, this is military to military. Call them military. Even the Israel where they fight Hamas, they call them military of Hamas. Yes, even though terrorism is still there, but that act of terrorism where they do is still there, but they call them terrorists. But they are military. They call them their battalion. Yes, Israel army, they call them, because they be military now, military they be. Call IPOB military. I respect. I read when Israel IDF, they talk about this. Yeah, they are this thing, yes. They call them what they call themselves. Because now act of military. Call the IPOB military. Call it what Simon Ekpa call it. This is the reason why United Nations will never stop him. This is the reason why Finland will never stop him from agitating. Sit down, discuss, and let us have peace. I want to come back to motherland and invest. We've made small money. We want to come back home and enjoy with you guys. What's in beyond this one now? Do you think I'm happy making video talking about this every day? How many of you are living happy life? Only the top military men are enjoying. Even those that are giving guns to go and kill and do everything, they don't enjoy life. Their children, even some of them, their wife is now show what their wife they do now. They chop. Some of those military, their salary has not been paid. But the same people, they are going to send them to Southeast and go kill. Now, so now I make my life not the better. Show me any military man way in my life the better. Show me one. Their end not the sweet. Let us stop pretending now. Can we just stop pretending? So we can have a sweet life. There's nothing wrong in division. When I go tell me, say, as a military man, you and your children, they live in the same house forever. As your picking come up for your house, as a grown-up child, as a daughter or a son, he will leave your house one day and go to school. One day he's going to leave your house and get married. That does not mean that there's no relationship. If Nigeria is divided, it's good. See, let me tell you, I may not be a prophet. There's nothing like dividing the country. I don't see anything working. The corruption is too deep. It's too deep. Look at what Buhari came to do. Look at the jihadist constitution. How can we be in the same country? 1999 constitution is the worst, and you're telling us you are creating cargo this thing for Onitsha. Can't we talk about the jihadists? This is what happened in Plateau State. More than 500 people, they don't kill them for Plateau State. From community to community, just few days to Christmas. How do you justify that? How do you justify Plateau State? They went to the village. I wake up this morning crying. I don't know why 3 o'clock I wake up in the morning crying. All of you are just caged in that country. Think about it. More than 7 communities in Plateau State, they murder children. Their mother is dead and they're holding their child in their hand. Nigeria, why? I can't sleep at night. I can't keep quiet, man. This is the God of grace. What kind of country is this? I wake up 3 o'clock. I think about those videos. I can't sleep at night. I saw more than 5 children with their mother dead. Young children who are supposed to be our future. What is going on here? Nigerian police, Nigerian army. Oh my God, what is this? This is the Christmas. Everybody's hungry. They are dying. Chicken is 15,000 naira. Nobody eats chicken. And you people are allowed. You say we should not stop. What is this? 3 o'clock, 3:04. I wake up. I can't sleep. I was thinking I'm crying. I was crying on my bed. I said, why am I crying? I tell you guys, go and follow me on my Twitter. Go and follow Simon Ekpa on Twitter. Go and follow Simon Ekpa on Twitter. We're not going to see. Nigerian media are not showing you what is happening. They are not going to talk about it. General Musa will not talk about it. Christopher Musa, the army, whatever he called himself, will never go to the media and talk about the massacre in Plateau State. He will never do it. We are not asking you to wage war with the government that you are obeying. Let us see the future. It's only take a man who is wise to sit down and see that the corruption is too deep. Under Muhammadu Buhari, Emefiele and Buhari stole money. Nobody dare talk about it. 1999 Constitution. The Sharia law itself is overwhelming us. We are operating constitutional law. We are operating Sharia law. Under Nigerian constitutional law, you have the right to live anywhere you want in Nigeria, to operate in every business that you want in Nigeria. But you go to the north, they are operating Sharia law under the same country. How do you want this to work? They have their own military who goes about checking who is selling alcohol and who is going to a shower house. Then they are going to take them to the Sharia court under the same country. When you go to Nigerian constitution, Sharia is mentioned more than 50 times or 20 times in Nigerian constitution. But you, Webi Ogboni, your Ogboni is your own religion. Your Ogboni constitution is not in Nigerian 1999 constitution. Your Christian constitution is not in 1999 constitution. But the Sharia law is mentioned in your constitution. And you think it's going to work? You are all mugu. It's not going to work. Musa, I dare Musa to talk about the jihadists who went to that community. I dare Musa to call them terrorists. General Musa dare not to call them terrorists. Even if he comes to the media, he dare not call them terrorists. Those who went to Plateau State to kill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 communities at a time before Christmas. 2 days before Christmas, pam, pam, pam. The kid is dead on social. You cannot see it on Facebook. Go to Twitter, Mugun. Go to your phone and download Twitter. Follow Solomon Travels blog. Go to follow Simon Ekpa and see why Simon Ekpa is angry. You guys are not seeing the news. What is customary court? Is customary courts? Is customary? Who be this one where they can't talk rubbish here? Okay, I'm my prince. You go school at all? Say you go school. You know what be customary court? Is customary court a Christian court, or is it a Ogboni court or traditional court? Is customary? Is don't come here to make me talk rubbish. Make I no go block you. If you know what you go. I beg. I'm gonna stop you from typing here. Sharia court is. I'm going to block you straight up. You don't need to be here. You don't deserve to be here. If you are here to defend jihadist people, if you are here to defend terrorists, you don't deserve to be here. All these people, all these general where they see, General Musa where they see, so all of them, when they thief the money, they go buy house abroad. Their children, they have alternative. They tell you Nigeria is okay. Shut up, don't talk. Shut up, don't talk there. But he dare not challenge the jihadist system. They have their own police. They have their own whether ministry or whatever they have. But you don't want alcohol. But they are collecting from other states where we say they are selling alcohol. They are producing alcohol. They are bringing the tax to take care of your desert. Now left for Nigeria, you go know say desert. People wait there for desert, they plenty pass. People wait there for mainland. They tell you now say people wait there for north, plenty pass. They carry that one, they mumu all of una. Christianity can't enter again, can't they mumu all of una. When una go to church, your pastor will tell you, say, Christian na gentleman, no, Jesus na gentleman. Jesus was not a gentleman. Jesus, people where they follow Jesus, they carry knife, they go up and down. If I say go on there that time, they go carry up. Go and read your Bible. Simon Peter. They carry, Abi, una don't know the time when Simon Peter, Abi, una know the time when Simon Peter removed knife, begin they cut the people who come to arrest Jesus. Abi, una know they there. Did Jesus tell Simon Peter to throw the knife away? No, Jesus didn't tell Simon Peter to throw it away. He told Simon Peter, it is not yet time to fight. Put the knife back where it belongs. Christian can fight back. I'm not asking Christians to come and fight the government. I said those who are supposed to be speaking to the Christian, use that word in the Bible to teach the people that Jesus Christ was protecting himself. Anywhere where they go, they carry machete, they go up and down. Yes, Jesus Christ are his disciple. Who are those disciples? They be bodyguards. If anything will happen, they come out their machete and fight. Jesus did not tell Simon Peter, I've been a Simon waiting. He did not say, Simon, take that knife and throw it away. He said, put the knife back. He carried the ear where he cut. Carry and put back. He said, not be yet time. Allow that to happen. When Jesus went to synagogue, what did he do? He take cane, begin to flog all the elders. Jesus was a revolutionist. All this mumu where they teach us for church, where all of us come sit down, they look mumu. Our life they spoil. Our life they spoil. We don't have future. Even if you're abroad, you don't have future. You can fight. You can stay abroad 25 years. There is no future for you. You build a house, you cannot live in that house. Even if when you come, you can't live in that house because there's no peace. People are hungry. They are going to hunt for you. A lot of people want to invest in Nigeria, but the economy is getting badder and badder. How do we overcome this? Sit down together. Bring the elders from the Yoruba land. Bring the elders from every part of Nigeria. Sit down and let's discuss what is going on. Tinubu don't deserve to be your president. He doesn't deserve. He don't know what he's doing. He doesn't deserve. All of una mumu from A to Z. Police or army or DSS or una there somebody will be saying a drug addict. Everything will be fake. Still, he can't become your president. That make you mumu. All of una. Professor, lecturer, teacher. He make all of us mumu now. Whether you vote him or you don't vote him. In the same country, the youth came out to protest in Lekki. Look what happened. Buhari came. If I say another country, Buhari is supposed to be probed right now. They don't make una sote, there's no money for una account. As we talk now, your elites are not putting money in the bank. There's no money in the bank. There's no currency in the bank. Even the bank is corrupt. You put money, they go collect. You come out, they go collect. You transfer, they go collect. You come out, come out, they go collect. Everybody is corrupt. How do you fix this kind of country? How do you fix a broken glass? A broken glass must be taken back to factory for recycling. That means you reproduce a new glass. Nigeria is like a broken glass. All we need to do is sit down together and say, okay, you know what? The broken glass needs to be fixed. Don't listen to any pastor who is telling you Nigeria is going to be all right. Now when he don't die, even his children, we will still keep. Then they think they have saved enough money for their children. I don't build nice house for my children. Even if I'm not there, even if Nigeria no good, my business, bro, come on, listen. Our children, we will not get. Our children will come after una. Write down my words. Whether your children there abroad or even anywhere where they make I tell you now, revolution they come for West soon. Revolution they come for West where they go drive every black man go back. What will happen for Germany? What will happen to Jew people in Germany? It's coming for all of you. If you like bomb picking for America, call them American. If you like bomb picking for UK, call them British. If you like bomb picking for Europe, and one day they are going to carry all of you and put for Ghana must go. Go back to your country. Because you are all overwhelming them. You are overwhelming them. It only takes one man like Hitler, to come and tell you, hey, you are African. It doesn't matter. You have British passport or whatever. You have European passport or whatever. You have American passport or whatever. You got to go back to Africa. This is our land. And they go begin to massacre all of you now. You think you've bought house in America? Go and write down my word. Write it down. Say, one stupid boy, Solomon, say it. It may not happen tomorrow. It may not happen next tomorrow. It's going to happen soon. Maybe after me and you don't go. When we are here no more, our children, where we born in America, the children where we born say they are abroad, one day they are going to tell them, hey, they go, it only take one man, a politician, who is going to say, hey, you know what, it's high time to take all these people back home. Just like it happened to Jewish people in Germany. And some of our children don't even know where you come from. Yeah, your children don't know where you come from. They don't know whether in Igbo, whether in Hausa you be. They don't know whether in Yoruba you be, whether in Osoko or Sogo you be. Say, oh, my children, I'm not going to Nigeria anymore. Oh, there's nothing concern me with those Solomon. That Solomon and Simon Ekpa, the way they talk, I beg, leave those people. Me, I don't do okay for America, so I'm okay as long as I'm in America. Bro, your lineage is gone. And I'm telling this to all the elites. Those things when I think they say for our children. the time will come. The Jewish people get money past the European when they did for Germany. They were all over the place. They have houses. They never carried those houses on their head to go. They were just fighting for their life, running to Jerusalem, where the ancestors come from. Even when they came to Jerusalem, there was no space for them. Say, we don't know you. We don't know you. Go away. They were begging until the Palestinians took them back and said, okay, take a small space. Today, what is happening? They are all fighting. Because of what? Their ancestors say they don't get life for Europe. They never knew somebody like Hitler would come and point finger and say, Ile Baba Eda. Meaning, where is your father's house? Here, Europe is not for Jewish people. One day is coming. The Europeans are going to tell you, Europe is not for black people. Trust me, go and write it down. It may come after 50 years. It may come after 100 years. I may not be here. But if you are writing a book, write it there. Say, there will be a time somebody like Hitler will come and chase the black man away in Europe, America, or Britain. Good morning. Have a nice day. Listen, you have to go and follow me on Twitter. Go and follow me on Twitter. Travels Vlog on Twitter. If you can't follow me, go to follow Simon Ekpa. You see, Nigerian media is not carrying the news. They are not going to tell you exactly what is happening, how they're killing, not only in Plateau State. Omo, if you not see, I'm sorry, say I cry. I didn't want to talk about it. I wake up 3:04. I can't begin to cry. I can't imagine if not me, if not my sister dey ground so with him pikin. I can't imagine if not my wife dey ground so on with pikin. I can't imagine if not my daughter dey ground so on pikin. I can't imagine those children if those children are my kids. Somebody went into a community, a group of people, and the country is doing nothing. It will happen again and happen again and happen again and happen again in a country that we have kings, queens, governors, and presidents. We have police, we have army, but they are telling stories upon stories. And you are asking the agitators to stop agitating. Bro, make I tell you now. Please, I want to beg you. If you don't know how to get Twitter allow, make I tell you now what Twitter they do. Twitter, they allow blood. I mean, when I go to see them, everything has to be. Twitter, they allow them. Facebook, no allow them. YouTube, no allow them. That is why you should go to Twitter. When I go see them live as it happen. When I go see everything live. Go and follow Travel Vlog. Follow Simon Ekpa. When I go to see the news where they say Nigeria know they show now. Yes, the media will not show you because they can't even show it. They're not going to even show it for Twitter self. So check Simon Ekpa. If you check Simon Ekpa, check all the videos for 3 days. When I go see those videos where they kill people. I'm not asking the army to begin fight the government. They have to speak out. If na secret meeting, they go to say, hey, listen, make una release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Release this man. Simon will never stop. The only person that Simon will listen to is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That's our brother. We can't leave him there to die just because he's agitated. Thank you very much. God bless you. I don't have the link. Just go to Twitter and type Travels Vlog. And I can't send the link. I don't know how to send it. I can't send it. I don't know how to do that. And I don't have Twitter on this phone. I'm not on Twitter on this phone. I know they for Twitter. See. I don't have Twitter on this phone. No Twitter here. Yeah. Nigerian youth, I know you are all tired. You don't know what to do. God, make I tell you now revolution be the thing. And revolution no go fit happen when people no go find. That's just the thing. But nobody wants to die. But without spine, revolution no go day. Now be the thing. Musicians, Nollywood actors, every institution, students, we need to talk. The government must have a seat. Because the only thing we go solve the problem now is sitting down and giving people referendum. Sit down and talk about referendum. You can't be puppet for the European forever. The European like the way we are doing, we are buying ourselves because the more we are not concentrating, the more they are taking our resources. Are you getting me? The more we are fighting, the more we are going to get visa. The more we are having problem, you are going to the embassy. They are collecting visa money from like 1 million people. They are going to give just 10 people visa. 1 million people go pay for visa fee. They like it. Apart from that, we are not concentrating. You're not the eat belly food. You don't go fit think about production and industrialization. You only think about waiting I go chop. I no get job. Waiting I go chop. You don't go think about future. You don't go think about tomorrow. The Europeans are enjoying it. How our politicians are just using us. That's it. Thank you.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and Bye-bye.